There are two types of probability questions that I have not covered, and I want to cover those this week, and that's will end our section on probability. Okay, so looking at this first question, actually, this first question, we have percent of marbles. Okay, so we have a bag of marbles, orange, white, and purple. Okay, we got orange, white, and purple. So we got three different types of marbles, right? The bag of marbles has orange. The orange marbles have 30%. The white marbles are 18% of the marbles. Okay. What is the chance of drawing a purple marble? Now, we have to look at the total percent. What will be the total percent of all the marbles in the bag? Of course, that would be 100%, right? All marbles. Now, if we take away the 30% chance of drawing the orange marbles, right? Take that away. And we also take away the 18% of the white marbles. We will be left with our purple marbles. All right, so 100 minus 30 is 70. 70 minus 18 would give us 52. All right, so 52% of the marbles are purple. So what would be the chance of drawing purple marbles? 52%. 52% chance. Okay. Now, next question. I have a spinner this time, and I have three sections. I have a red, blue, and green section. The red section is 1/4. Red section is 1/4. The blue section is 1/3. It's 1/3 of the spinner. And I want to find out how much of the area of the spinner is the green section. Right, I have a total of three different sections. I need to find out what the third one is. Now, just like percent, I had to end up with 100%. Now, when it comes to the probability with using fractions, my probability has to equal 1. Okay, when it comes to fractions, your probability has to equal 1, just like 100%, right? So these three fractions have to equal 1. So what I have to do is add these two fractions up together, the red and the blue. Now, how do we add fractions with different denominators? Of course, we have to make the denominators equal. So we have to multiply this one to equal 12 denominator, because that would be our greatest common factor, right? Our greatest common multiple, I'm sorry. 12 will be our greatest common multiple. So I have to multiply this by 3 and this one by 3. This one has to be multiplied by 4 and this one by 4. That would give me a denominator of 12. Of course, you guys should remember this from 5th grade, maybe 6th grade. All right, so this would be 3 12s, and this one would be 4 12s. All right? 3 12 plus 4 12. And I would end up with 7 12s. Now, my total has to be 1, remember? So I would have to say 1 minus 7 12s. Of course, if I'm subtracting, I have to have the same denominator. Let me kind of split that up for you. It's getting kind of crazy now. All right, so this will have to be 12 over 12, right? Because 1 equals 12 over 12. Minus 7 over 12 would leave 5 over 12. Okay, so green has to be 5 12ths of the fraction of the spinner, because all of these will equal 1 if I add them up together.